Is downsizing your home in your future? You should apply for a home loan now before listing your home. You're probably thinking, why should I apply for a home loan now when I'm selling my home? That's a very good question. And guess what? That's today's subject right after this. Hello and welcome. I'm Bob Weibrecht, a Missouri licensed realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty Gundaker in St. Louis, Missouri since 2002. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend time with me. My goal is to provide the best residential real estate information possible, especially if you're downsizing. On this channel, I strive to provide my viewers useful insights and tips on the residential real estate market. If this is something you want to hear about, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when a new video is released. I publish a new video every Wednesday, and you don't want to miss a thing. Now, on to the reason why you're here. Today, we're going to discuss why you should apply for a home loan before listing your house for sale. Some of the reasons may surprise you. Can you apply for a home loan when you have a loan on the home you're selling? The answer is yes. Does it guarantee getting a home loan for your new home? The answer is no. Why apply for a home loan when you're selling your current home? This is something most homeowners who are planning to buy a new home don't even consider in their wildest dreams. They plan to wait until their home is sold, then apply for a home loan. It is important to speak with a lender prior to listing your home. They will tell you about the current lending guidelines that may affect your ability to be pre approved for a home loan. Tell the lender that you're selling your home, what your estimated net proceeds are, and that you plan to buy another home. You're probably thinking, I'm busy. I've made my payments on time, except for when I was out of work a few years ago. I'm using the same lender as I did before. They know I'm a good customer. The truth is, lenders need to qualify everyone who applies for a home loan, even existing customers. As part of the process, the lender will ask for recent pay stubs, bank account, and investment information and existing debts. They will pull your credit report to learn what your credit score is. Your lender will ask if your credit report is accurate, then verify your qualifying income and assets that they are sufficient for you to buy a home. Sounds like a lot of work, doesn't it? So why do they do it? Since the financial crisis of 2008, lending guidelines have drastically changed. What was approved before with your current home loan may not apply to a new one, especially if you encountered a few financial hiccups along the way. I'm belaboring this point so you don't end up homeless even if you're planning to rent. Some landlords and rental agencies will ask for your credit score as part of the application process. You don't want to get turned down in part because of a low credit score. By getting pre approved for a home loan, you will learn how qualified you are for a new home loan. If you're not qualified, you may want to rethink your downsizing plans. It is best to do this prior to listing your home, not when you're under contract and find out you can't get a home loan. So, what benefits are there to getting a pre approval before you list your home? One, you will know your financial standing. Two, you will know if you're qualified to purchase a new home or rent one. Three, you will know what price range of homes you can afford to buy. Four, you may win the home of your dreams over a buyer who's not been pre approved. Five, you may be able to buy a larger home than you thought possible with the same or lower payment you're making now. That's because of the low interest rates available at the time of this recording. A caveat here to applying for a home loan: ask how long does a home loan pre approval last? In most cases, it's good for up to 90 days. If you have a good rate that's about to expire, Ask about a mortgage rate lock. A mortgage rate lock can add more time to your house hunting for an additional fee. Check with your lender for details. But what if you plan to pay all cash? There are many thoughts on this. Some say you're in good shape. Go ahead and buy the property you want. Forget the pre approval. Others say get the pre approval, which you may not need, but it would be nice to have in the event the home you wish to buy exceeds your cash reserves. Either way, you may wish to get an appraisal on the property to make sure you're not overpaying for it. Okay, you're saying to yourself, I'll get that home loan pre approval before I list. That's great, and you will thank yourself for doing so. After you receive the pre approval, there are some things you should not do during the time the pre approval is received and the closing on your new home. One, don't apply for new credit or make large purchases such as furniture or buying a car. This could lower your credit score, which may result in a higher interest rate or potentially disqualify you for a home loan if your debt to income ratio exceeds the lender's requirements. Two, don't pay off your debts. When you pay off your debts after the pre approval, it may reduce your cash reserves. So you may not have enough funds available for expenses related to selling your current home and buying your new one. Home loan lenders frequently check the credit score while they're processing your loan, and which will show these payments if they are made. Three, do not co sign for a loan. Doing so increases the debt for all signers on the loan. Four, do not fail to respond to your lender. While processing your loan, the lender may request additional documentation on your home loan. Delays in sending the requested information to your lender delays the underwriting process, which can delay or disqualify your loan. Five, do not fall behind on your payments. You may be thinking, I'm selling. I'll skip the homeowner's insurance payment for this month. Bad idea. For at least two reasons. One, disaster may strike, and two, your insurance company will report a late payment. This could be a double whammy on you. And six, do not lose any documentation you have on large deposits into your account. Have the documentation on the source of the funds besides your paychecks. Your lender will examine your bank and investment accounts. If they see a large deposit, they are required by federal regulations to determine where the money came from. So if grandma gave you $20,000 or so to buy a home, be sure you have the documentation on where it came from. Now you know why it's important to get pre approved for a home loan when selling yours. I hope you found this information useful and informative. For more information, download my free guide, Things to Consider Before Downsizing Your Home. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every Wednesday about the St. Louis real estate market, and you don't want to miss anything. Thanks for watching, and as always, make it a great day.